Hey guys, it's McKayla. I'm back with a bonus video. So this will be a short video. We are at the Taylor Park Reservoir, and you can go from Gunnison to Almont, and then Almont you follow basically the Almont? I thought there was no T. Almont, okay. You follow Taylor River, and basically it's a beautiful river, tons of people fishing, kayaking, river rafting, all that stuff. So really close area to Gunnison that has more of like the nature, because Gunnison isn't that beautiful within the town. It's pretty dry. So the reserve is so beautiful. I definitely think this drive is worth it. It took from Almont 14 miles to get here, so it's not that far. If you have an extra like half a day, you can definitely come check this out, but it's beautiful and totally worth it. So I would recommend stopping by here, and this is the Taylor Park Reservoir. So again, this is just a little bonus video, a tip for you guys to stop somewhere, and we did get the drone footage, so you'll get to see that from above as well. I will see you guys in the next video.